I am going to be talking about the top 2 products that you can sell that people are always willing to buy and can make you 5 to 6 to even 7 figures income online, offline, whatever. Now, the first one is weight loss products. Women are always wanting to lose weight or make it look like they've lost weight so they can become more appealing to men, so they can get married, go on dates, all that stuff. So if you have a product or you find a product or you can make a product that can help people or women in general lose weight or make it look like they lose weight, put it online. You're going to make a lot of sales because obviously people are going to want to buy them because if you're fat, how do you feel? If you're fat, how do you feel? If you're thin, how do you feel? Compare the feeling. People always want to feel good, to look good, all that stuff. Now let's move on to number 2, which is product that helps people to make money online. This alone can make you 6, if not 7 figures of income online alone. People always want to make money. Obviously, you're watching this video because you want to make money, and I'm making this video because I want to make money. So if you can make a product or you can find a product online that people are willing to buy that can help them make money, there's no problem for you because people are always going to want to buy that product. It's the reason these 2 things work. These 2 products work is because they are appealing. They're like hitting a nail on the head, pressing on people's strongest desires and problems, and providing them a very, very valuable, if it's valuable, very valuable and effective solution. So if you can find those 2 products or make those 2 types of products, I guarantee you 5, 4, 6, 7 figures in. So anyway, shameless plug here. Now, if you have either this or this app on your phone right now and you are looking for a way to make money with that app selling your products, then the first link in the description will take you to a course made by one of my favorite mentors, Sam Harvard, that will teach you exactly how you can use either this or this app to make 5, 6, if not 7 figures income just using your smartphone. So go down to the link in the description and check out the course. If it's something you like or something you'll be interested in, go ahead. And before I forget, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you're new here, subscribe. If you're not new here, like the video. I'll see you in the next one, guys.